Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today I will discuss about models of communication. What is the models of communication? What is the importance of models of communication? In this video we will discuss about only what is models of communication. Models of communication are conceptual models used to explain the human communication process. The first major model of communication was developed in 1948 by Claude Shannon and published with an introduction by Warren Weaver for Bell Laboratories. Following the basic concept, communication is the process of sending and receiving messages or transferring information from one part to another. Means in 1960 David Berlow expanded the linear transmission model with the sender message channel receiver means SMCR model of communication. Later Wilbur Strand introduced a model that identified multiple variables in communication, which includes the transmitter, encoding, media, decoding, and receiver. In the models of communication are systematic representations of the process which helps in understanding how communication works can be done. Models show the process metaphorically and in symbols. They form general perspectives on communication by breaking communication from complex to simple and keeps the components in order. Communication models can sometimes encourage traditional thinking and stereotyping, but can also omit some major aspects of human communication. Methods and channels of communication to be used and the purpose of communication must be considered before choosing a specific communication model. Models are used by business companies and other firms to foster their communication, explore their opinions, and to evaluate their own situations. It is also used to understand how the receivers will interpret the message. Types of communication model means कम्युनिकेशन मॉडल्स जो हैं वो कितने प्रकार के होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट है लीनियर मॉडल, दूसरा है ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल एंड तीसरा है इंटरेक्शन मॉडल. अब ये लीनियर मॉडल क्या है, ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन क्या है एंड इंटरेक्शन मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन क्या है. चलिए आइए अब हम इसकी बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं what is the linear model of communication. Linear model of communication is a simple one-way communication model. The message flows in a straight line from sender to the receiver. There is no concept of feedback. The only task that a receiver does here is to receive the message. Different models that follow linear model of communication are Laws-Wells model, Aristotle model, Shannon-Weaver model, Berlow's SMCR model. इन सभी मॉडल्स की चर्चा हम आगे के वीडियोज़ में अलग अलग करेंगे विस्तार से. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. इन ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल senders and receivers both are known as communicators and both play equally important role in communication. Transactional model relates communication with social reality, cultural upbringing, and relational context. Non-verbal feedback like gestures, body language is also considered as feedback. In this model, different models that follow transactional model of communication are Bernlund's transactional model, Bernoulli's transactional model, hierarchical model, Baker's mosaic model. In upcoming videos, we will discuss about these models. Next is interactive model of communication. What is interactive model of communication? Interactive model or convergence model is similar to transactional model as they are both two-way communication model, but interactive model is mostly used for new media like internet. Here people can respond to any mass communications like videos, news, etc. People can exchange their views and ideas. Different models that follow interactive model of communication are Schramm's interactive model. After that, other communication models is Dunn's helical spiral of communication. Next is Wesley and MacLean's conceptual model. The first one is Dunn's helical spiral of communication. In 1967, Dunn's made a communication model based on a helix known as helical model. He explains how a child learns to communicate and the child grows up and continues to communicate. Communication depends on previous experiences and activities of the speaker according to this model. Wesley and MacLean's conceptual model. Wesley and MacLean's model explains the difference between interpersonal and mass communication as feedback. Feedback can be direct in interpersonal communication, whereas indirect in mass communication. According to this model, communication starts from the environment and not when the message is spoken or shown. Thank you.